Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. On this channel, I like to showcase the automotive culture and the positive impact it has on the community. In today's video, I'd like to provide you guys a simple DIY on how to remove the front lip on a Nissan GTR. This is a relatively simple DIY and a simple procedure on removing the front lip. I would say any novice weekend DIYer could easily do this. As stated in a previous video, I'm doing a 2017 facelift, so I'm getting a new bumper, new headlights. So I'll include the schematic of removal right here. And the only tools really that you need for this job is a flathead screwdriver, a 10 mil, and a 14 millimeter socket. So get those tools prepared and let's jump over into the garage.
No, I don't think you can see my breath yet, but it is effectively single digits in Minneapolis, but it's February. So February is typically our coldest month, and then March is our snowiest, and then it's springtime. So honestly, it's been good, but I better bundle up. I get charmed. Baby, just a little more. There, that's all I need from you. Thank you. All right, so I got a lot of trust issues. So ever since Harbor Freight had the recall, I've gotten really paranoid about jacks. So I doubled up. So I put two under the front engine brace, and I put two on the jack mounts right here. So I'm gonna close the garage though now, and I think we should be able to get it out with enough room from the cart to the garage door. So I'm gonna close it up, I'm gonna warm up a little bit, and then we'll come back out and we'll attack it. I think this looks like a 14. Yeah. So you got one. Oh, and I think there's Phillips inside here. That's a 14. That's a 14. I believe there's a Phillips in here. That one's good. First. All right, now let's go ahead and take off the clips. So basically all these clips, you just kind of get your screwdriver in there, set it in there, and then it's a pop-out clip like this. And then when you put it back in, you just want to press it in there like that. So do the same thing for all 10 clips. I don't think this, yeah, there's not one in there. There's one in here. Oh, are they 12? Oh, they're 10s. Cool, let's get this cleaned up. All right, so yeah, this is the top secret, like JDM carbon fiber front lip. It has the titanium skid plates on the bottom, not a full skid plate, but the most, that plays like the most vulnerable area. But yeah, pretty simple, guys. Hopefully you guys learned something from there.
So thanks again for tuning into this week's video. Again, if you haven't already, please subscribe if you found value into this. Obviously the goal with my DIY section is to kind of help alleviate that stress for anybody working on their GTR. Hopefully this is a fairly straightforward DIY for you guys. If you have any questions, comments on working in the cold, or anything else, please leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to reply. With that being said, thanks again for tuning in. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.